So let's show you how to do a lacy double stitch. So to start the lacy double stitch we need to build the height of the start. So we're gonna chain up 1. And essentially in every stitch we're going to put 2 together for a double stitch. So to do that you're going to wrap the hook first and come into the vertical like a simple stitch, and then yarning over, pulling it through, and then pulling it, yarning over, pulling it through 2, and leave that onto the hook. In the same vertical stitch you're gonna wrap again and going in, pull through only 2, and pay attention here, you only want to yarn over and pull through the first 2. Don't worry about this one. We want to keep the number of loops onto your hook being consistent. So that was the 2 together here. So let's do it again. So we're just gonna wrap the hook, come into the next one, pull through 2 and hold it. Wrap the hook into the same one, pull through and hold it, and then pull through 2. And now just finish that grouping of 2, so yarning over, pulling it through 2. Just like that. So yarning over, next one, in, pull through 2, wrap, same one, pull through 2, and then just yarn over, pull through only 2. And you're gonna do that all the way across. The trick is when you yarn over, pull over, just only do 2 when you're putting 2 together. You're gonna do that all the way to the other side. And then finally you'll just do a regular double stitch in the outside one. Pull through 2, and then that's it. So let's go on backwards. So to go into the return pass, just chain up, put through 1 only, and then just coming through 2s all the way across. So you see it's a nice dense stitch when you're doing these ones here. Okay, let's try again. So chain up 1 to begin, and in the first vertical bar start doing your double stitch. And put 2 of them in, and then just put them together once they're both done. And just pull through 2 only. And then move to the next bar. And do that all the way across. And then once you get to the other side, then just double stitch right in the end, just like I just showed you, chain 1 and then chain and pull through 2s all the way back, and this would be the lacy double stitch.